Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a recipe that was much requested by one of our subscribers. I'm going to make this delicious egg pasta. It's super easy and very simple to make, so let's get started and check it out. To a pot of boiling water, I'm adding 2 cups of macaroni pasta shells. So you can see these are small shells, but you can use any other variety of pasta to make this recipe. Gently drop in the pasta shells. Just mix it once or twice. To this I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Cook the pasta till it's completely done. The pasta shells are cooked perfectly. Turn off the stove. Strain them and keep it aside. So we've cooked the pasta. Next, let's make the scrambled eggs. So I'm taking about 5 large eggs. Just crack open them in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and whisk the eggs well. Keep this aside. Let's make the scrambled eggs. To a pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Pour in the whisked egg mixture and make the scrambled eggs. The eggs are done. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. All the egg lovers and pasta lovers, show up in the comments. Take a nice white kadai. To this I'm adding 50 grams of unsalted butter cubes. Once the butter melts, add about 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, a piece of ginger finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Saute these ingredients for just about a minute. Maintain the flame on low. So once the garlic and ginger releases a beautiful aroma, after a minute, add 2 large onions finely chopped. To this I'm also adding 1 small capsicum finely chopped. You can use red or yellow if you have that. Increase the flame to medium and saute the onions and capsicum for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onions have turned translucent, I'm adding 1 large tomato that's been finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes along with the onions till they get nice and mushy. After 3 minutes, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 large teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder, and a small teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Since we are making this egg pasta in Desi style, I'm adding all these nice beautiful spices. Give it all a nice mix. So you can see the masala is coming together beautifully. At this point I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Keeping the flame on low, mix everything well. Ketchup is going to balance out all those nice flavors. Now gently drop in the macaroni. Mix the macaroni along with the masala. Make sure all the pieces are beautifully coated in that masala. Here's a quick tip for you guys. So those of y'all who are vegetarian can finish the macaroni pasta at this point, add some cheese and enjoy it. But as we are making the egg pasta, now I'm going to add the prepared scrambled egg. Gently drop in the prepared scrambled eggs and mix it along with the macaroni. I've added 4 slices of cheese. So if you want extra, you can always add extra. Turn off the stove at this point. I'm finishing off by adding a few chilli flakes. Close the kadai. We're going to let this sit for a few minutes until the cheese melts. You can adjust the spices as well as the quantity of cheese according to your taste. Gently mix the cheese in and you can enjoy this delicious macaroni egg pasta nice and hot. Make sure to serve it immediately when the cheese is nice and gooey. Who can resist a bowl of desi style egg pasta? Well, I'm going to enjoy this right now. Wow, just one word, wow. It's got a perfect balance of all the spices, of course the egg, the chunky pieces of egg and pasta, and the little nice cheese flavor. Fantastic. I couldn't stop eating, by the way. I couldn't keep the bowl down. It was that tasty. It makes for a wonderful lunchbox recipe as well. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.